Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn fitting straight line. Let's see a question. Fit a straight line. You are having the values x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y value 14, 27, 40, 55, 68. Now we'll go for the solution. We have x and the corresponding y values. We know equation of the straight line is y is equal to a plus bx, that we know. Using normal equation, solve the value of a and b. That's the second step. Sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. That is equation 1. The second equation is sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. These two equations we have to learn, because with the help of this normal equation only we can get the value for a and b. So this is the table. X and y value we are having. X value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value is 14, 27, 40, 55, 68. So we have to find x, y and x square. X, y is x into y, that is 1 into 14, 2 into 27, 3 into 40 and so on. X square is the square of this x value. So you will get the x square. Now you find sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy and sigma x square. That is, add them downwards. So you will get sigma value. Here n is equal to 5. In our question we are having 5 values. So n is equal to 5. Substitute all these values, that is sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square in equation 1 and 2. So when we substitute, we get a as 0 and b as 13.6. So find the value of a and b. Now fit the straight line. Straight line equation will be y is equal to a plus bx. That is a normal equation. Now substitute the value for a and b. Y is equal to 0 plus 13.6x. So the calculation, the result will be 13.6x. So this will be the answer. Hope this example is clear for you. This is just a simple example how to fit a straight line if you are getting a set of values. Now we'll see one more example. Fit a straight line trend equation by the method of least squares from the following data and estimate the profit for the year 2005. That is what we have to find. Estimate the profit for the year 2005. Given year and profit, profit is in lakhs. So year is 1975, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 2000. Profit 10, 13, 15, 20, 22 and 28. So this is the question. Now just make the table from that. Year, profit. This much we get from the question, that is year and profit. Now next we have to go for deviation. Since here year has given, so we have to calculate the deviation. So deviation is x is equal to x minus 1987.5. This capital X is the year value. So x small x is equal to capital X minus 1987.5. So let's see how we get this 1987.5. To find deviation, find the middle value from the year list. That is, if n we are having as 7, there you will have a middle value. So again directly substitute in that equation to find the deviation. But in this case, in our example, n is equal to 6. So take the third value and the fourth value, add them and divide by 2. You will get 1987.5. This is how I got 1987.5. Hope this deviation portion is clear. Now find x square. Here small x. So take this value for taking x square. Then xy again the same value. So x square and xy we got. Now we are having n is equal to 6. Sigma y is equal to 108. Sigma x is equal to 0. Sigma x square is equal to 437.5 and sigma xy is equal to 305. Using the normal equation, substitute the above values and find the value for a and b. Normal equation is sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. Sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. So these are the two equations. So substituting the values for sigmas and n in this, we'll get a as 18 and b as 0.697. Hope this much is okay. Now substitute in the straight line equation. Straight line equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So you will get 18 plus 0.697x. So that is a straight line equation. Now we have to find the profit for the year 2005. We are having the straight line equation y is equal to a plus bx. Substituting the value of a as 18 and b as 0.697, we'll get 18 plus 0.697x. Now we have to find the value for this x. X is equal to capital X minus 1987.5. So here for x substitute 2005. So we will get 2005 minus 1987.5 is equal to 17.5. So after that, solve it and you will get y is equal to 30.1975 lakhs. Hope this is clear.